Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first three challenges, let's take up our fourth challenge now, which is set up account roles and role hierarchy. So once if you launch your playground, so here I'm just gonna click on this gear icon followed by setup. So guys, here in quick find I'm just gonna search for user and click on users. And here you will find Barbara. Next to it, just click on edit, and we are gonna change our role to Express Logistics and Transport Partner Manager, and now click on save. And now next to scene Forbes, click on edit, and here we are gonna change role to Edge Communication Partner Manager. So once if it is done, click on save, and now click on new user. So guys, here give first name as Paya and last name as Pasqua, and alias is auto populated, username will be auto populated, and nickname also will be auto populated. And for role we are gonna choose sales channel sales team, and for user license choose Salesforce, and for profile choose custom sales profile. So once if it is done, scroll down and deselect Salesforce CRM content user followed by these three. So I'm just gonna deselect these three checkbox, and make sure generate new password and notify user immediately checkboxes enable, and now click on save. So this is all about this challenge. So this is basically test opportunity visibility. Let me see whether it is getting verified without testing. Click on verify step. So we need to complete the testing step as well. So for that, let's go to our app launcher and select accounts and click on accounts, and now click on Edge Communications. So on your right side, I'm just going to click on drop down followed by change owner. So in search user, search for Maya. So once if you get the result, just click on it, and now click on submit. So here in this page, if you scroll down, you will find this Edge installation. Just click on it. So for this as well, we are gonna change owner, and now click on change owner on right side. Search for Maya and click on the user, and now click on submit. So we are done with this, and now let's go back and click on verify step. So guys, we have made one blunder mistake over here. So for Edge installation, again click on drop down followed by change owner, and here we are gonna search for Rose. So Maya is not the owner for this, we have to change it as Rose. So search for Rose. So I'm just gonna click on this Rose. So once if it is done, click on submit. So guys, if you are getting this error, just click on cancel. Again click on drop down followed by change owner. So here in this drop down, I'm just gonna choose partner user. So now I can search for Rose and select Rose from drop down and click on submit. You will get it added now. So the thing is, after clicking change owner, you are gonna click on drop down followed by partner user, and here you are gonna search for Rose. You will get the result, and now click on submit. So now let's come back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our fourth challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.